Want to cancel your Wix Premium Plan? Here's how to do it. First, log into your Wix account and click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then choose Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, click again on your icon on the upper left. Then, click on Workspace Settings. From there, click on Billing and Subscriptions. As you can see, I don't have any active subscription yet, but I will show you what you will see if you have one. Here, you'll see a list of all your subscriptions. You'll see your site name and the next billing date listed. Find the premium plan that you want to cancel. Click on the three dots beside the payment method of the subscription that you want to cancel. Then select Cancel Plan. Once you're done, you'll see a message of confirmation and your subscription will disappear. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.